Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable dark mode on your Twitter app. So let's go ahead and open Twitter. And once you're on your feed, let's go ahead and hit the top left profile icon. And now we're going to go to the bottom and choose settings and privacy. Now what you want to do is choose the accessibility, display, and languages on the bottom. And then we're going to choose the second option of display and sound. You can actually do font and sounds on here as well, but you will see dark mode. And if you go ahead and choose that, you can toggle on dark mode here and it'll change. If you want completely black, it'll be lights out you choose, but if you choose dim, it's not completely black, it'll just be a dimmed. Another thing you can do is actually, let's go all the way back to where we chose settings. So go to the top left on your profile icon again, and then on the bottom left you'll see a little light bulb, and if you go ahead and click that, it'll come up with the same options we saw in the settings, and you can toggle it off from here as well. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.